Hi there. Today we're going to talk about technology, implementation and selection. All too often it's a confusing play of different stakeholders and agendas. But we can break it down to something very simple. There are only two questions you need to answer when you implement or select software. And it is very simple. Is it good for the company and is it good for the customer? Because good for company means, is it efficient? It's an internal matter. Good for customer is an external matter. It's about effectiveness. Effectiveness is, are we doing the right things? Efficiency is, are we doing the things right? Now we have created a matrix with two axes. And you can see there's one area where we should really stay away from. It's not good for the customer and not good for the company. Okay, great. If you look at the upper left corner, you see it's good for the company, but not so much for the customer. And this is where you will find tools that are very efficient, but not user-friendly or not generating the right output and customer experience. So it's fully optimized for the company. This is where you find normally different departments that have a stronghold here. Whereas in growth hacking, this is the area where you see marketers and sales. They want to make sure they get traction and convert customers. That's their target. Now, solely focusing on efficiency or solely on growth hacking isn't good enough. Once you have something working, you should get to the stage of awesome, which is combining the two. That's where you want to be. And this is why you need to talk to the people from the danger zone, which is sometimes CFOs or IT. And you need to come together because growth hacking only is also dangerous if it's out of compliance, out of the regulations that you have been setting internally as an organization. So how can you come together? You have to align on something that says, okay, this is creating the right type of traction, but it stays within the IT and governance compliance and rules and regulations. That's what you want to achieve. And for this, you need to collaborate with different departments across your company. I hope you like this Martech memo. See you in the next one.